Welcome to Adventures with Captain Ray Kelly. On this adventure, we're going to head to the state of Florida. And we're going to go to the Riviera Beach Marina Village. We'll be flying with a great group of drone pilots. We'll be getting great shots of Peanut Island and the surrounding area. Hi, welcome to Adventures with Captain Ray Kelly. We're here at Marina Village in Riviera Beach. And I'm with Steve Barnett, TJ Alexander, and Nida. And they're already flying. I'm the last one here. But the sun is just rose, and it's going to be a great morning to fly, so come on along. I'm flying my DJI Mavic 3 Pro drone. We were hoping to film the cruise ship coming back to the Port of Palm Beach, but it didn't come back. But we captured a large cargo ship. That's later in the video. That's the Sailfish Marina right there. That's the Blue Heron Bridge, which connects the mainland to Singer Island. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel now. And if you hit the little bell, you'll be notified of our newly released videos. Peanut Island is such a great place to fly drones. They have a nice diving, snorkeling lagoon right here, and it's great for swimming. These buildings are part of the old life-saving station. This pathway leads to President Kennedy's bunker, which was on Peanut Island. 20 years ago, it was open to the public, and we were lucky enough to tour it. But now it's all overgrown and it's hard to see. President Kennedy used it during the Cuban Missile Crisis. There was some talk of opening it to the public again. I hope they do. I brought the drone down because I wanted to do some comparison shots with the Air 2S and the Neo 2. This is the DJI Air 2S taking off. The Air 2S is a great drone. I really can't tell the difference between the Mavic 3 Pro and the Air 2S. Then it was time to send the DJI Neo 2 up. And to my surprise, that has a great camera. A large cargo ship came into port, so I sent the Mavic 3 Pro up again to capture it. We were blessed with a beautiful sunrise this morning, and it was great flying with Steve, Ken, and TJ. Well, there you have it. And please let me know what you think about flying at Peanut Island in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to watch my live weekly podcast on Thursday nights at 7 p.m. Eastern. And let's get kids hooked on drones, not drugs.